One is the receiver part of that. So receiver, you can connect the receiver. So maybe the range how you are keeping, you can use the smaller antenna or the upper antenna. Okay.
Okay.
This is the transmitter and that is the receiver. So we are able to explore that. So
Wi-Fi or
the CSV file, whatever the data it collects, the data should be there in the CSV file. Okay. What information you want?
it means how to identify 5 meters.
It will be there, the data will be there in the CSV file. Maybe the distance is more. If you do with a computer software, you can still bring it down.
Okay.
But with mobile software, etc., based on the maximum distance, maximum that it will give. But if you are using a computer software, you can even bring it down actually. If you are using 25 meter. Hello. So computer through laptop, you can able to still minimize the distance of reading.
Okay.
But with the mobile software or tablet software, it will give for the maximum distance. With the computer software, you can able to determine how much distance you are interested. With the mobile software, the thing is trying to explore the maximum possibility.
Okay.
Okay.
So I have laptop also, sir.
Laptop means a laptop software. If you install, you can give the depth to scan.
Okay.
Even you can give the depth from 25 meter, 50 meter, 75 meter, 100 meter. You can give the depth. Whatever the depth you require, you can give. So based on the distance, it will come down. Even less than 5 meters, it can scan. Based on the distance you are setting.
Nice.
But in the mobile software, it will give the maximum available.
Okay.
Understand? That is the only difference. So computer software, you have the computer? Now not here.
Not
Okay. Computer software, the software can able to predict even the very small. For example, if you are going for 25 meter or 50 meter, it can able to give the minimum resolution.
no.
Good. The updated mobile software is coming.
Yes, sir.
Which is blinking. Okay. So at that time, what you have to do is you have to go to this Wi-Fi. So once it is done, you can make a scan. Okay. Once it is connected
Okay.
with the device, you can go for a scan. Then you can see the sound.
Scanning was started.
Scanning started. So it will take some time, around 10 minutes it will take. Huh?
Okay.
Critical interval is now with respect to the mobile software and the tab software. It is maximum.
Okay.
350 or something 400 based on the water body presence.
Okay, sir.
Water body presence, it searches for the water body, but at the same time, whatever the type of structure of the rock and other things, it will be accumulating. Understood?
But interval 5 meters. It will take below 5 meters.
It depends how much depth it has made the search actually. But if you are using a computer software, you can set your ranges.
Okay.
But with respect to this one, it was totally automatic. Green Terra. Okay, that's it. Then it comes to a normal state. Once it come to the normal state, you can go here. You have to see whether the machine is connected. Is connected. So once it is connected, then what you can do is, you can go here, go to the report page. And the report page opens. So now you have to take the data from the machine. So for taking the data from the machine, you have to press this button, press this icon. Once you press this icon, data from the machine will come here, 30 to 159. The data from the machine.
Maximum depth to 159.
159.
Okay.
Okay. It's not maximum depth. Maybe the first two sources or first three sources, whatever it is, it says gives that. Okay. And after that, once it is done, then you can enter your horizontal range. How much distance the machine are placed? 5 meter, right?
Okay.
You can enter 5 meter here. 5. Okay. Horizontal range. Then you can enter the client name. For example, you are the client. What is your name? Kiran. Kiran is your name. Kiran 12. Kiran 11. Okay. Surveyor. I am the surveyor. Okay. So yes. So once all the parameters are entered, I can store the data. Okay. It will say data inserted. I am storing the data. Once the data is stored, the data will be there. Now the machines are not required. You can switch off or you can leave it as it is. So now you want to generate the report. Okay. So for generating the report, once it is there, so you can connect to internet. Okay. You can cut off the connection with the machine. You can connect to internet, mobile data. Then what you can do is you can click this one. You can go to the backup. Okay. Go to backup and Kiran 11. Your data is stored here. Okay. So you can click this Kiran 11 data. Then you can upload the data to the GIS satellite. Okay. So you can upload the data. After some time there is a report file ready. After some time there is a report file ready message will come. It comes. Did you see that? There is a message, report file ready message comes. Once that report message comes, you have to go to and download. Okay. You can download it. Say downloading.
Data is
downloaded. So I can go here, open, extract files to some folder, maybe font, extract here. Kiran 11. See, here the data source. One profile. The upper surface, no, it is wet, no, it is raining, right? So the upper soil, you can see the blue shade actually.
Okay.
Blue shade, you can see the upper layer, but sometimes it is a little bit penetrating. And after that, you have this very hard stone, means very hard rock. And after that, there will be a type of layer, like there can be a mixture of marbonite or whatever it is.
Yes.
It will be a mixture of these things. It is mentioned over the scale here. And sometimes this kind of thing, this yellow color represents silica.
Okay.
And this green color represents sometimes this kind of permeable rock. So it can be anything like sandstone like that. Okay. And after that, you have water body also inside. Deep underneath you have water body. Here also there is some kind of water body. Okay. Upper also you have the water body. And the profile goes for up to almost 350 meter. It has made the profile now. Understood?
Okay.
Almost 350 meter. It has made the profile. So this is how does it makes a long scan. Maybe available sources like here and here, then here. Available water bodies also. Okay. Understood? Okay. These are available water bodies. Here also in the depth also water bodies. Even if you dig in the upper region also up to 50 meter, there is a presence of water body. Because there is a well over there which was only dug for 10 meter. 30 meter. If you are going for a well type of condition, you can select that 50 meter room. Fonts in a full tray. So like that there will be different profile generated. So this is earth depth profile, and with respect to the depth parameter, with respect to the placement parameter, 5 meters the unit was placed. This 5 meter distance you can see over here. So within this 5 meter, at least around 2.5 meter, you can see a type of vertical cavity. Then underneath, if you go, there is a presence of water body, and a different kind of rock layer presence are there, and inside there is a water body. Okay, so this is how does it represent. So after that, this is the earth lat long profile. Lat long profile is with respect to this point, and with respect to this point, the profile in nature of the lat long coordinates. This is the machine frequency coordinate. With respect to the machine frequency, you have the depth parameter, the depth in meters parameter. At different points it strike against. Upper layer you have very soft permeable kind of layer. In the lower region you have the striking point, water body striking point, as well as a rock, different rail of rock you can make out from here. And this is a three-dimensional thing. Three-dimensional thing is it represents the distance in x direction, it represents the depth, vertical depth, it represents the frequency. With respect to the three parameters, it says that at 2.5, if you go across this depth layer, in computer you can rotate and see. So you can see the different type of rock. You can make out from this one, this blue color, green color, or some type of other strata type rock. This brown, hard brown, and this yellow color is there, no? This hard brown is hard rock, and a little bit hard rock is this one, maybe like Kadapa something, no? Okay. This thing. And apart from that, if you go for granite and other things, you have to look for this green color and the cyan color.
Okay.
And inside you have the water body. So this is represented by here.
Okay.
Two dimensional. The two dimensional will be a little bit very clear.
Okay.
With respect to the depth and with respect to the surface parameter.
Okay.
This is your this is a result when you scan using mobile software or tab software. Okay. So here the limit is that it may go up to 350, or sometimes if the sources are less, it can go up to 300, or it can go up to 400, or it can go up to 200 based on the water body presence. This is totally dynamic.
600 also.
600 also.
1000.
Yeah. So here, based on the water body presence, it will give it. It is dynamic. In the computer, you can fix that. Okay. How much distance you are interested, you can fix that. This is how it operates with mobile and tab.
But mobile is not having, we have not fixed the perfect
Depth. Yeah. But in the new software, which is coming on Monday or Tuesday, I'm
Okay.
sure it will come on Monday.
Okay.
You can set the depth also in the mobile.
Okay.
Okay. As of now, you have the settings in computer.
Okay.
So computer here now I am going to do a survey
Sir.
with respect to computer. Okay.
Kiran 11 or 12.
Yeah, Kiran 12.
Okay.
Survey name is my name. Depth range I am setting.
Okay.
How much depth? Okay. Depth range I am. Hello. Huh? ஆமாம் சொல்லுங்க. இல்லை. So this one I will set around 200 meters.
Okay. Just you are setting.
Setting. I am
Okay,
going to set the depth. Sensor range. What is the sensor? 5 meters. Okay.
This means 5 3 150.
5 into 3 means 15 feet.
Okay.
15 or 17 feet.
50.
17 feet, 3.3, 17 feet. Latitude. This area latitude, if you give, it will be very accurate. Result will be accurate. That you can get from the mobile.
Okay.
You know how to get the mobile. For example, we have taken the last data report, right? From the last data report, I have the backup. I can have the coordinate. It's here. 12.918. 80 point 80.194. This location name Medawaka. Okay. The others are not interested. From email ID, passcode to email ID, I am not interested. I am going to do a profile scan. Okay. The machine is in the start stage, initial stage.
Okay.
I am going to do a profile scan. This point, this is the software for computer software. You have to copy and you have to place this inside the folder. For every customer, you can just copy this file name.
Okay.
This file name I will give to you in pen drive.
Okay.
So you can name you can give the customer name. Whatever you want, you can give the customer name. Understand what I say?
Okay.
You can give some customer name, customer 0.1 or customer 0.12, any name you can give. For example, this is for example, what we can do is we'll make as per your choice. So you are going to see a customer. Tell the customer name.
Any RAM.
Tell Ram. Okay, Ram. Okay. For Ram, this is the first point. You can make it as 0.1.
Okay.
For Ram, you are making the first point.
Okay.
So you made it. Okay, one folder. And inside the folder, this file is there. Okay.
Okay.
So now you click open this file. Okay. It opens. It opens the software front page. There you are entering the parameter. So customer name, you know it, right? Ram 1. For Ram, one first point. And your name is Kiran. You are Kiran. Surveyor. Okay. And depth range. So how much depth range we can set?
For example, I want to 600 meters. For example.
So 600 meters means so long.
Okay.
Is that fine? So long. Okay. So 600 meter you are setting. Okay. Sensor range. How much meter sensor?
5 meters.
5 meter. 5 meters. Latitude. You know the latitude coordinate. Otherwise, if you know, you can go to the Google map and get the latitude name. Okay. Here also that feature is there, but it will be a little bit complicated. You have to go and pick it up. Okay. Instead, you can take it from here. I am in this area. Okay. I am going to pick up one. I am in this area. Okay. My area is. This is a building. I click it here. Okay.
So it shows the
Lat long upper side. Lat long 12.918317. Okay.
Okay.
And longitude 80.194989. Okay. And this place name Medawaka. Okay. Other parameters are leave it. Okay. That is for sending mail and other things. Medawaka. So now you can do the profile scan. The system is ready. You can do the profile scan. It will get connected here. You can see. Now which machine is connected? GeoFinex 1 is connected. Okay.
Okay.
After some time see, it will connect to GeoFinex 2. GeoFinex 1, still GeoFinex 1 is in connection mode, okay?
Okay.
GeoFinex 2, it is changing. You can see that, right? First GeoFinex 1 is connected, now GeoFinex 2 is connected. So continuously they will transfer the data to the system. That is transmitter is GeoFinex 1, receiver is GeoFinex 2. So this software will continuously communicate with the two devices.
Just show it again.
Yeah.
1.
2. And first connected with GeoFinex 1. You have seen that. Now it is connected with GeoFinex 2.
Okay.
Understood? So now it has generated the report. The parameters are here. Whatever that will be in the CSV file. But as per the parameter, it has generated the file. You can see what we say, the dielectric layer, air medium. This is air medium, right? Two buildings are there, right? Air medium, and there can be some water medium at the beneath, okay? And this is exactly, there is one type of duct over here. So water can come at this point and surrounded by some minerals. This can be some kind of what we say, some type of graphite, or it can be some kind of sandstones or things like. And apart from this one, this one can be a little bit hard rock, maybe granite or that presence. And over the top layer you have a little bit other kind of rock, and you have this little bit hard rock, and you have the more hard rock. Okay, so this area, water area, is surrounded by some type of rock structure. And if we come down, this is a perfect water body. Perfect water body. So you can see that the water body is there and surrounded by some rock structure profile. Okay, it extends like this, some kind of rock structure profile. And here also there is a water body. Here there is a water body, and here there is a water body. Here there is a water body. Understood? So the better point is you can penetrate through this way. Better point. So this is for water body. Maybe for rock body, you can get better type of rocks over here. You can get better types of rock over here. Rock formations is there, and even here there is a better type of rock formations.
Intervals are depth interval.
Depth intervals are, it will be in the CSV file. Since you have taken around 600, the depth interval will be higher in this case. If we are going for shallow depth, the depth interval will be a little bit more resolution.
Okay, show me this.
The less shallow depth we are going to 600 meters, you are now scanning for almost 2000 feet. Did you imagine that? 1800. That much depth you are scanning it around. See, horizontal vertical, it goes almost by 1.4, 1.8, and resolution. Almost it goes by 1.4, 1.8, almost for every 1 meter, 1.4 meter, 1 meter and 1.4, like almost 400.4 meter. That means you can calculate it. This 0.4 meter, this much distance. The resolutions are being plotted. It starts at 1, 1.4, 1.8, 2.2, at a gap of 0.4. 0.4 meter is almost 0.4 into 3. 1.2 meter. 1.2 meter. 1.2 feet, right? Correct. Feet. 0.4 meter.
0.4
Meter.
Okay.
Means 1 inch.
Resolutions are 0.4 meter. Horizontal resolution is
horizontal means it is going through the horizontal.
Horizontal range. Yes.
Like this.
Fraction. Yeah. Like this. It reciprocates.
Vertically,
it goes around by. It goes around by 61, and there is between this 1 to 61, it has scales of 1. You can see that 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So 1 to 61. Maybe you can say that around almost 30 divisions, more than 30 divisions are there.
So how much
So-
feet depth, sir?
Once again. So it goes around 61, 40. 60 meter divided by 40. Almost 60 divided by 40 you can take.
Why you are taking 60 by 40?
Now up to 61, 40, 41 divisions are there. Understood? You can see here, right? Up to 40. 40 divisions are being made within 6.61. The depth, maximum depth. So you can divide it by 41 by 61.
41 by 61, sir.
Once again. 61 divided
41.
41. Almost 1.5.
1.5?
5 meter resolution.
Okay.
Okay. 61 is here, right? 41 is here, right?
Okay.
So that many vertical, till vertical, the data collected is up to 41 data are collected till it reaches 61 meters. 61 meters,
Okay.
it has collected 41 data.
Okay.
Understood? That means 61 divided by 41. 41 data are collected, right? 61 divided by 41, which is at 1.4 meter resolution, the data are collected. Understood? So this is the thing.
Okay, sir.
And if the area of scan, if the depth of scan
scan,
is less, this resolution also will become less. Understood?
Because we have given up to 600.
Resolution become less.
Less.
Less resolution.
Less resolution.
Resolution means long wavelength.
Less resolution means the parameters collected will be at a minimum gap.
That one is long wavelength.
Long wavelength.
High frequency.
High frequency. Exactly. Okay.
Okay. Depth, more depth means reverse.
Yeah. More depth means reverse.
Okay.
Okay, I'll close the file. You can see the images one by one. So this also. So this is thing you have seen that, right? A different area of rock presence, etc. You will able to
Any
understand.
lines?
Really?
Can we show the lines?
Which
this,
line?
Line like this. Some lines will appear. Some contour like lines.
Contour-like lines are these are actually contour-like lines, but without any mapping. Actually, these are contour-like lines
Yes,
without
yes.
any mapping. If it comes with mapping, then it is a lat-long mapping. So that is not needed here. So then it will also disturb your image of view. So here you can make that this rock layer presence. You can see that. So this rock layer, this contour nature, you can able to observe that, right? This is the contour nature of this type of rock. So even if you make the drill over here, you can able to understand that you have different type of rock formations over here. Understood? So this is one, and another image is over here. This is a lat-long profile. Means with respect to this area horizontally, what is the presence? Where is the presence of this rock layer? What is the presence of this rock layer? This is our important of interest. So this is at 78.75. This is at 13.2, and this is at 80.1, and this is at 13.2. So lat-long presence. Okay. Surface area scanning. Lat-long. At what lat-long? These type of formations are there. Understood?
Okay. So if we give a lat line mileage, they can dig that.
They can dig the, understand, they can dig that. So this is the respect to the striking point, this striking point, this striking point, this striking point, and this is the frequency of the machine, and this is the depth of the machine. With respect to the particular depth, etc., this frequency, the higher frequencies are striking at the upper surface, the lower frequencies are penetrating to the depth. Understood? Understood?
Understood, sir.
Yeah.
frequency it is showing the graph for 200, 400 or 600 like that.
Yeah. So for graduation, but it will vary from 0 to 1000. So for graphing purpose, it says 200, 400, 600, 800 and
Based on the
1000
depth.
based on the depth.
Okay.
The depth actually. Hmm?
Okay.
And the other point is the 3D profile. The 3D profile, you can here rotate and check out the nature. See the presence of how the rocks are distributed. Those distribution you can see. These are the hard rocks, and these are little bit soft rocks, and this maybe a lime layer or kind of ceramic. This presence you can see. For example, this presence.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay.
This presence you can able to visualize. Understand? This 3D
What
profile.
is the stat of the
Strata of the depth and how the rocks are intervened and they are connected. Okay. And with respect to the profile, you have the profile.
Okay.
Complete PDF file. Survey report for Ramon conducted at Medavakkam, conducted on this particular date, and conducted with respect to the 3D, the scene. We have seen this one, and we have seen the 2D profile, and we have the lat long profile. We have seen the this one, frequency profile, and we have the complete report.
So what is the permeability already it has taken the permeability?
76% permeability is there.
Which area?
This area.
Average.
Overall.
area.
No, that rock, inside that rock, water bodies are there, no?
Ah.
That layer accumulative for this 5 meters, the permeability of the rock layer is close to 76%. Underneath, water presence is good.
It means you are saying in between the 5 meters,
Yeah,
permeability is
76%
is there.
Yes.
That's
Underneath.
That is water quality.
Water quality means whether the water quality is good means water quality can be used for irrigation purpose, drinking purpose. If it is less than 40, not good.
What is the meaning of quantum? Water quantum?
Water quantum is 8,885 liters per hour. That means how many inch you can expect water.
Okay.
Liter per hour. Rock strength analysis 49%.
Means what, sir?
Means the distribution of rock.
Distribution of?
Rock. Means rock layers are there, no? Rock and mud or sand. Out of the entire thing, how much presence rock is there? Means 50-50.
Okay. 50 means not understanding.
Means
For example,
layers are there.
Okay.
Sometimes if the brown color rock is more,
Okay.
then the rock strength will be 79%.
Okay. Hardness.
Hardness.
Okay. Rock strength means hardness. Okay.
Hard.
Total BHD.
Means the maximum how much you can go, and there are different sources 1, 2, 3, and you can get a better source at 318, 432, and 588. Depth means better permeability.
So automatically ready-made it is showing the ready-made data. Okay. BHD means total borehole data.
Maximum you can how much maximum you can do.
Okay.
Maximum.
Surface type level.
Very good.
Okay.
That long.
Okay.
You survey your
So
name.
here, sir, what is this one? We learn the
You will read it.
report generated based on the unit sensor survey. The data is so this total data was given here.
Total data it says that the company says that the data is based on the sensor
Okay.
value.
It is 292.
Oh, it will be matches up to 90 to 97%. It will match.
Very nice, sir.
Okay. So this is a computer
But
software.
I want update in version.
Huh?
Mobile update in version.
That I will give it by tomorrow.